熱情
Being warm-hearted or being enthusiastic.
當我們說他很熱情或熱情地招待客人，是指這個人對人很友好，主動關心，態度溫暖，不會冷淡或疏遠。例如，朋友很熱情地歡迎你。香港人因為很追求效率，所以看似對人很冷漠，但其實，我們的內心也很熱情，而且很願意幫助別人。
Hong Kong people value efficiency so much that they may seem cold toward others. But in reality, we are very warm-hearted and willing to help.
熱情也可是指一種強烈、主動、帶有溫度的內心情感或態度。能夠找到讓自己熱情投入的事物，是非常幸運的。
It is very fortunate to be able to find something you are deeply passionate about.
佳佳對學習鋼琴很有熱情，會留心聽老師講解，認真練習，並且堅持到底。
Freya is very passionate about learning the piano. She listens carefully to the teacher's explanations, practices seriously, and perseveres to the end.